Hi everyone and welcome back. So if you're planning to buy a used Galaxy Watch from the market, make sure you check out this new tool that can help you to identify any problem that is present with the Galaxy Watch. So Samsung is calling it as Connected Device Diagnostic Tool. It is available with the latest update on Galaxy Watch 5, but it will be soon available for Galaxy Watch 4 as well. Also, I have a face for giveaway from Recreative Watch Faces that you can try out via the link down in description. Free coupons are available, but once again they are limited in number, so check them out as soon as possible. Anyways, make sure your wearable app on phone is up to date and also you have Samsung's member app installed. After that, go to wearable app on your phone and now tap on watch settings. After that, scroll down and choose battery and device care. Now tap on diagnostics. Here you will see your connected device like Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro. Now you can test out 15 different aspects of your Galaxy Watch like battery status, which if I tap on, and it says normal. In the same way, you can test all the different sensors of your Galaxy Watch, that if they are working perfectly fine or not. You can also test out screen like this and so on. So it's a cool handy tool that lets you find out any problem with the Galaxy Watch, and second-hand smartwatch buyers should really try this out. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This is RE05 informative premium design. Watch face offers a ton of information in this futuristic design. First of all, we have our time highlighted at the top. Then we have calories burned, heart rate monitor, and dual time. After that, in this section, we have step counter with a nice looking graph of our daily goal, and in the end, distance traveled is present. Further, we have rest of the information highlighted in this section of the face like battery percentage. Talking about customization, first of all you can change units, then you can change color with time highlighted here in the background like this. After that, you can change few settings with complications. So this is RE05. Available on Google Play Store. Do check it out. And now, let's see always on display mode. Talking about watch face always on display mode, it is dimmed down to conserve battery life. We have our time still present in a lighter color, so you can see it in the dark. And if I double tap here, all the colors will be back. And that was all about for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.